Welcome back to Naomi's Corner. Today, we will be making a delicious Chinese-style Salmon Paksiw. Backed by popular demand, we will be using the incredible limited edition 4.5-quart Mini Braiser Pan, available only in October 2020. As part of the complete gourmet collection, the versatile Mini Braiser Pan now comes with 24-karat gold plating on the handles and knob. Wow, beautiful! Now let's get started. Our ingredients are salmon seasoned with a little bit of garlic salt, green onions, mushroom, black bean garlic sauce, chili sauce, and balsamic vinegar. All we need to do is combine all the ingredients in our beautiful 4.5-quart Mini Braiser Pan. Okay, so we're gonna start with my balsamic vinegar. We're gonna use 1 cup of this. Next one is we're gonna combine my black bean garlic sauce. We're gonna add at least 2 tablespoons of this. Okay, spoonful. All right, and then we're going to add the chili sauce. Now, it depends on your spice preference, but now I'm just going to use 1 tablespoon. It's going to be really spicy. All right, now everything is together. We're going to add a little bit or maybe half cup of warm water. Okay. That's it. And next, we mix all the ingredients together just like so. All right. And then now that everything is mixed, we are going to add my salmon. Okay. Skin first. I love this 4.5-quart Mini Braiser Pan because it's small. Just really perfect for a small family, small gathering, or just small dishes. Really perfect for everyday use. Okay. Now that everything is together, let me just, add, the sauce on top of it. Kind of mix it together just like that. Smells good already. All right, so now that I've covered the salmon with all these delicious ingredients, we're going to put my mushroom. You can actually add, any vegetables that you want. Sometimes I do add it with my asparagus. You can also add broccoli, cauliflower, whatever available you have in your kitchen. All right, and then top it up with your green onions. Look at that. Okay. Then next is cover it. Just like so. Once you hear the vapor valve starts clicking consistently, you can reduce the heat from medium to low and then cook it for another 15 minutes and your Chinese-style Salmon Paksiw is ready. The vapor valve is now clicking. It's now time to reduce the heat from medium to low. And then we're going to cook it for another 15 minutes. 50 minutes are up. We are ready to check our delicious Chinese-style Salmon Paksiw. I'm excited. Wow, look at that. Smells so good. And the salmon and everything on it look cooked in perfection. Now our Salmon Paksiw is ready to serve. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Naomi's Corner for more delicious recipes using Saladmaster. Stay amazing!